Time travel is a fascinating concept that scientists are still trying to understand. The universe has a property called the arrow of time, which means that time only goes forward, from past to future. This is because the universe is always moving from being orderly to becoming messy. Scientists have explored ways to bend time, and one way is through the theory of relativity by Albert Einstein. Massive objects like black holes can warp space and time, creating the possibility of time loops. However, this might lead to paradoxes, like the famous grandfather paradox, where changing the past can create inconsistencies. Traveling into the future is possible by moving very fast, close to the speed of light, or being near a black hole. This means you age very little while time passes quickly for everyone else. Time dilation is like a slow form of time travel. One exciting idea is using wormholes, which are natural shortcuts in space-time. Wormholes could potentially be used for fast time travel, but they are still mostly theoretical. In the end, while time travel is a fascinating idea, it remains a mystery, and we are still far from building actual time machines. Scientists continue to explore the laws of physics and the possibilities for time travel.